In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely delete a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're streamlining your accounts or closing an old card, it's important to go through this process carefully to keep your financial records accurate and organized. Let's walk through each step together. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online website. On the homepage, click the Sign In button, then enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main control panel. This is where you can view and manage all your connected financial accounts. Next, head over to the bank transaction section. You can find it by clicking on the banking tab from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your connected bank and credit card accounts. Take a moment to identify the correct credit card account you want to delete. If you have multiple accounts linked, double check the name and details to avoid removing the wrong one. Once you've located the correct credit card account, look for the pencil icon next to it. This is the Edit button. Click on it to open the account details, then select Edit Account Info. Now, here's where the important part happens. You'll see an option labeled Disconnect this account on Save. Checking this box will stop QuickBooks from syncing any new transactions for that card. But don't worry, all of your previous transactions and historical data will remain saved for reporting and bookkeeping purposes. After selecting the Disconnect option, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm your choice. Click Yes when prompted. This extra step ensures you're making these changes intentionally and prevents any accidental disconnections that could affect your records. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your credit card account is now safely disconnected from QuickBooks Online. No new data will sync moving forward, but your old transaction history will remain intact for reference or audits. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to double check your chart of accounts or banking list to make sure everything looks correct. Maintaining accurate and up-to-date financial records is key to smooth bookkeeping and reporting. And there you have it, a quick, safe, and effective way to remove a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on QuickBooks and other accounting tools.